Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.
Warning, 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 warning. Introducing Miss G.
Welcome everyone, it's me, Miss G, your favourite host. Today we're going to be cooking a delicious Easter chocolate bowl that looks like a bunny. Okay, maybe I don't look exactly like a bunny, but let's take a look at what we will need for cooking up this delicious recipe. Did you know that chocolate is made from cacao? Yes, chocolate is made from cacao beans.
Miss G say what?
It's true. Cacao beans grow on cacao trees, which grow in hot, rainy, tropical climates, north and south of the equator. Cacao pods are the fruit of a cacao tree. Wow! It takes 5 years for the cacao tree to produce its first cacao bean. Cacao trees can range between 13 to 26 feet tall, some even growing 32 feet tall. That's the equivalent height to 7/10 as tall as a brachiosaurus. The first time cacao or chocolate was used as a romantic gesture was during the Mayan culture. I just wanted to tell you that I love you. Okay, did you get me some chocolate or anything? No. The Aztecs used cacao to create a form of hot chocolate. It was called chocolatl, meaning bitter water. Yummy! Supposedly, the Aztec Emperor Montezuma was quoted saying this about chocolatl: "This divine drink, which builds up resistance and fights fatigue, a cup of this precious drink permits a man to walk a whole day without food." To the Aztecs, chocolatl was more valuable than gold or silver. Wow. Yes, when the Emperor Montezuma was defeated by Cortes in 1519, the conquistadors raided his palace and found mountains of cacao beans instead of gold or silver. Well, what can I say? He had good taste. avocado is a berry fruit.
What?
You mean to tell me I've been putting berries on my toast and eating it with eggs? I'm sorry to tell you, but it's true. Avocados are a fruit. Botanists define them as a large berry with a single seed. You learn something new every day.
Hey, it's me, Avocado. I just want to let you know that I contain healthy fats, vitamin B, vitamin E, vitamin K, potassium, and much, much more.
Avocados are grown on trees and are often found in subtropical climates. Avocados don't like frost. They don't like wind. No way. I just found out that the heaviest weighing avocado weighed 5.6 pounds. Whoa, that's a really big avocado. That's the equivalent weight to 1 1/10, as heavy as a chihuahua. Avocados are a native fruit to central Mexico in North America. There are some avocado trees growing in Mexico that are almost 400 years old. Yeah. That's it for today's episode of Messy Kitchen with Miss G.
We really love you, Miss G!
I really hope you enjoyed learning those interesting facts and cooking with your favourite host, Miss G. Me! Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I always appreciate it. Remember, there are lots more cooking lessons on my YouTube channel for you to take a look at. If you want to learn some facts about food, learn how to cook delicious food, and laugh at my hilarious jokes, then I recommend you go take a look at those videos. Hope to see you all soon. Bye for now.
Welcome to the Messy Kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen.